Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which space agency launched the Sphere X telescope to study the universe's glow? Right answer is option A, NASA. How many new moons were added to Saturn's count, raising the total to 274? Right answer is option A, 128. Which country inaugurated its first space agency called the Korea Aerospace Administration? Right answer is option D, South Korea. Which Indian communication satellite was placed in orbit by SpaceX's Falcon 9? Right answer is option C, GSAT 20. What is the name of ISRO's mission dedicated to studying the sun? Right answer is option A, Aditya L1. Who became the first Indian to travel to the International Space Station in June 2025? Right answer is option B, Shubhanshu Shukla. Which rocket carried the Nisar satellite into space in July 2025? Right answer is option A, GSLV F-16. Chandrayaan 5 or LUPEX is a collaborative mission between India and which nation? Right answer is option C, Japan. Which spacecraft safely returned Sunita Williams to Earth in March 2025? Right answer is option A, SpaceX Crew Dragon. Which seeds did ISRO successfully germinate in space as part of its experiment? Right answer is option D, cowpea seeds. When was India's first National Space Day celebrated officially? Right answer is option B, 23rd August 2024. Which launch vehicle was used by ISRO for the EOS-08 mission? Right answer is option A, SSLV D3. Which country launched the world's first methane fueled rocket? Right answer is option C, China. Which Indian origin astronaut created a record for the longest stay in space? Right answer is option A, Sunita Williams. How long did Shubhanshu Shukla remain aboard the International Space Station? Right answer is option D, 18 days. Which private company launched the FRAM 2 mission to study polar regions of Earth? Right answer is option B, SpaceX. Which radar bands were used in Nisar and which countries developed them? Right answer is option A, L band by USA and S band by India. Where did ISRO chairman V. Narayanan inaugurate the Ramkrishnan Thermal Research Center? Right answer is option D, IIT Madras. Which rocket marked ISRO's 100th satellite launch from Sriharikota? Right answer is option A, GSLV F-15. Which two satellites were part of India's first docking mission under SPADEX? Right answer is option A, Chaser and Target. How many days did Sunita Williams spend on her most recent ISS mission? Right answer is option C, 286 days. Which countries are jointly developing the Nisar satellite mission? Right answer is option B, India and USA. Which rocket was used to launch ESA's Probe 3 spacecraft by ISRO? Right answer is option A, PSLV C-59. Who successfully created oxygen in space using artificial photosynthesis? Right answer is option A, CNSA, China. Which vehicle was used by ISRO for its first space docking mission, SPADX? Right answer is option B, PSLV CAC-60. Which country became the 54th signatory of NASA's Artemis Accords? Right answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which Indian state government announced plans to launch its own satellite? Right answer is option B, Assam. What is a protostar recently highlighted in space research news? Right answer is option B, an early stage in star formation. Which satellite was launched by ISRO using the GSLV F-15 rocket in January? Right answer is option B, NVS-02. Which space agency launched a lunar satellite to detect and map water on the moon? Right answer is option C, NASA. Which country is developing the world's first deep water space station? Right answer is option D, China. Which country's private company's lander Blue Ghost recently touched down on the moon? Right answer is option A, USA. By which year is ISRO planning to launch navigation satellites NVS 03, NVS 04, and NVS 05? Right answer is option C, 2026. Which organization created the 10-ton vertical planetary mixer for rocket propellants? Right answer is option C, ISRO. Which is India's most advanced weather satellite recently launched by ISRO? Right answer is option A, INSAT 3DS. Which country launched the world's first wooden satellite Lignosat aboard SpaceX's rocket? Right answer is option B, Japan. Elon Musk's company SpaceX provides satellite based high speed internet under which name? Right answer is option B, Starlink. Where was the world's highest astronomical observatory been recently inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Atacama Desert, Chile. Which country launched the navigation satellite Michibiki 6 in February 2025? Right answer is option A, Japan. In January, the Satyendranath Bose Astronomical Observatory was inaugurated in which state? Right answer is option B, West Bengal. Which country is leading the artificial sun project called EAST? Right answer is option D, China. Recently, ISRO conducted a model rocket launch test for the first time in which state? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which institute partnered with ISRO to design the indigenous semiconductor chip Iris for space use? Right answer is option A, IIT Madras. Who received approval to launch India's first private satellite broadband service? Right answer is option C, Anant Tech. Where was the Pasang Wangchuk Sona ISRO Space Laboratory inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which island in Andhra Pradesh is home to ISRO's Satish Dhawan Space Center? Right answer is option B, Sriharikota Island. Which Indian space scientist from ISRO's Vikram Sarabhai Space Center specialized in lightning physics and co authored A Brief History of Rocketry in ISRO. Right answer is option A, P.V. Manoranjan Rao. What is the name of ISRO's mission that successfully demonstrated in space docking and undocking? Right answer is option B, SPADX. Where is the master control facility of ISRO located? Right answer is option D, Karnataka. In which of the following years ISRO was established? Right answer is option C, 1969. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.